Kyiv don suffer heavy drone attack as Putin no gree for Trump ceasefire talk, and Trump later tok say e dey disappointed. And one Israeli bomb attack kill one Hamas man, but the number of civilians wey die don raise serious questions about how Israel dey run their military operations for Gaza. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter today gist proper. Kyiv wake up on Friday morning with thick smoke everywhere after Russia launched heavy overnight drone and missile attacks wey touch almost all the districts for the capital. Ukrainian authorities talk say na record 550 drones plus 11 missiles dem fire. The attack happen just hours after US President Donald Trump call Russian President Vladimir Putin. Trump later talk say e dey disappointed say Putin no ready end the war. Meanwhile, for Russia side, one woman died after Ukrainian drone attack for one village near the border, according to Rostov region acting governor. Ukraine Air Force say the 72 out of the 550 drones managed pass air defense. Na new record again after last weekend 537 drones. Air raid sirens blast for over 8 hours as attack come in waves. Na Kyiv be the main target. Russia don officially recognize the Taliban government for Afghanistan, and that one make them the first country to do am since Taliban take over Kabul almost 4 years ago. Afghanistan Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi hailed the move, say e go encourage other countries to follow, but many people don vex, including former politician Fauzia Kofi, wey talk say e go only encourage impunity and threaten global security. Women groups too don condemn am, talk say e go give power to regime wey dey oppress women and dey break basic rights. Since 2021, Taliban don ban girls over 12 from school and stop many women from working or traveling without say male escort them. Russia say dem want better economic partnership with Afghanistan for energy, transport, agriculture and infrastructure. Dem also promise to help Kabul fight terrorism and drug trafficking. Russia no close their embassy when Taliban take over for 2021 and even sign oil and wheat supply deal with them for 2022. Taliban sef comot from Russia terrorist list this April. One Israeli airstrike for Gaza don spark heavy reaction after e hit one popular cafe, Al-Bakar cafeteria, wey dey Gaza City, according to eyewitness. Before the bomb drop, the cafe full with people, artists, students, athletes, even children. One small pikin even dey do birthday as people dey drink tea and dey gist. Na that time one Hamas operative wey wear normal clothes waka enter the place. Not long after e sit down, Israeli military drop bomb from sky, tear the building. People wey survive say the scene bad well well. Blood, dead body and people dey shout everywhere. One man tell reporters say na real massacre happen for that cafe. E pain reach bone. Dem confirm 26 deaths through family, friends and eyewitnesses. At least 9 na women, some na children and teenagers. The bomb killed the Hamas man, but the number of civilians wey die don begin raise serious questions about how Israel dey run their military operations for Gaza. IDF talk say their mission na to finish Hamas and rescue hostages, but people dey ask if the civilian death no too much. Hamas don talk say dem dey hold meeting with other Palestinian groups before dem go give final answer to the new Gaza ceasefire and hostage release plan wey US push come. President Donald Trump talk say im dey expect answer from Hamas within 24 hours. E don already talk say Israel don accept conditions for 60-day ceasefire wey go help end the 20-month war. But even as dem dey discuss ceasefire, Israeli military still dey bomb Gaza. For Friday morning, explosion and gunfire shake Khan Younis as helicopter, gunships and artillery dey fire. Hospital for the area talk say at least 15 people die overnight where dem bomb 2 tents wey dey house displaced people. Israeli military never talk about the attack yet, but dem claim say dem dey try dismantle Hamas military setup. The plan suppose include gradual release of 10 living Israeli hostages plus bodies of 18 others in exchange for Palestinian prisoners for Israeli jails. Around 50 hostages still dey Gaza, with about 20 wey dem believe say still dey alive. Hamas dey also insist say food and medical aid must enter Gaza freely and immediately with UN and Red Cross support. The plan reportedly go also get phased Israeli military withdrawal from some parts of Gaza. Hamas wan guarantee say Israel no go start attack again after the 60-day ceasefire end. Negotiations to end the war and free the remaining hostages suppose start immediately the ceasefire begin. Trump talk say im dey hope say the deal go work out before Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu visit Washington next week. Netanyahu don promise say e go work to release all the remaining hostages. Saudi Arabia Foreign Minister Prince Faisal bin Farah Al Saud don talk say the main thing wey dey important for them now na to get permanent ceasefire for Gaza. He talk this one for Moscow when reporters ask am about the chance of making peace with Israel. America don dey push make Saudi Arabia and Israel normalize relationship, like how the 2020 Abraham Accords make Israel get diplomatic ties with some Arab countries. But Saudi Arabia, they insist say dem no go do any normalization unless the Palestinian matter settle well and unless dem recognize independent Palestinian state based on the 1967 borders with East Jerusalem as capital. President Donald Trump don talk say from August 1st, US go begin apply new import tariffs and dem go start to send letters give countries wey e go affect. Trump say between 10 to 12 countries go get the first batch of letters from Friday and more go follow later. The tariff rate go range from 10% reach 70% and this one high pass wetin im talk before. The president give deadline of July 9 make countries rush negotiate with US before the new import tax rate begin, but e no talk which country or products e go affect. E tell reporters say e go just send letters make dem sabi wetin dem go dey pay. E go easy like that. The main idea na to push money enter US economy and make foreign goods cost more so that people go prefer to buy US made products. Countries like China, Japan and EU dey among those wey fit feel the heat. EU wey dem first threaten with 20% tariff fit now face up to 50%, while Japan goods fit get 35% tax. Even though UK and US don do partial trade deal for things like cars, beef and bioethanol, dem never include steel yet. China and US trade fight still dey drag. Dem start with 145% and 125% tariffs respectively, but later calm down to 30% and 10%, while dem dey talk terms especially on things like rare earth export and tech rules. Trump say the letters go help countries know wetin to expect and the tariff go help boost American business and raise revenue. UK Science and Technology Secretary Peter Kyle don write letter give the Alan Turing Institute make dem begin focus well on defense and security matter. For the letter, Kyle talk say make dem boost UK AI power for national security, say e suppose dey core of wetin the institute dey do. He even suggest say make dem change some leaders for there to match this new direction. Kyle warn say government no go put more money for the institute if dem no deliver wetin e talk. Last year, the institute collect £100 million grant from the former conservative government. Alan Turing Institute come reply say dem happy say government recognize the work wey dem dey do. Dem talk say dem go continue dey work with government to support national priorities. The institute say dem dey already focus on big missions like defense and national security, and dem agree with government vision to use AI make UK better. Prime Minister Keir Starmer don promise say UK go raise defense spending reach 5% of national income by 2025, and dem go put more money for military use of AI. Government review for defense still talk say make dem sharply move towards using more AI and autonomous system. For one beach near Bologna, French police shock people as dem waka enter shallow water go slash one inflatable boat wey full with men, women and pikin wey dey try go UK. The boat dey wobble for wave. People dey shout as e dey almost capsize. Police tear the boat with knife make everybody come down safe, but e cause serious confusion. Normally, French police no dey enter water like that because dem no wan risk people life. But this time, dem say dem act because dem see say everybody dey danger. The move don make pipo reason say maybe French police wan change style to stop many small boat crossing to UK. But police tell reporters say no new tactics dey. Dem still get rules say dem no suppose enter water unless life dey serious danger. Dem dey plan to use patrol boat for sea to intercept di taxi boats before dem load finish instead of using rough method for beach. UK Prime Minister spokesperson say di video of French police wey dey destroy di boat na significant moment and dem happy with di action, say na wetin dem dey work for be dat. And the last one for today, dem dey pay tribute to Liverpool and Portugal footballer Diogo Jota and im brother Andre Silva wey die for car crash on Thursday. The wake go happen Friday afternoon for Porto, Portugal, before dem bury the brothers on Saturday. The two brothers die after the Lamborghini wey dem dey inside crash for Zamora, Spain. 28-year-old Jota dey return go Liverpool for pre-season training. E choose travel by car and ferry because doctors talk make e no fly after minor surgery. Jota just marry im long-time partner Ruth Cardoso, wey dem get 3 pikin together only 11 days before the accident. Liverpool Football Club talk say the death na tragedy wey pass football as fans gather for Anfield to drop flowers and pay respect. And the tori be that for today. And na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.